Okay, folks, here we go. We got Pastor Larry with the Dudley Lightning Extra End-Loaded Bat. This is a shorter barrel, very, very end-loaded bat that hits that low pitch like that out of here effortlessly. It's got a pretty big, sizable end load, so that's like that. Two short pitches, and they're both crushed. You drop the bat head through old-style baseball. Wow, crushed. Line drive up the middle. We got June 19th, 85 degree day. Very little wind. That's a knuckleball that's out of here. Hits the top of the fence. Hits the top of the fence. Good ball. Good take. 80 to 85 degree day. Very little wind. We got Pastor Larry from Stockton doing the hitting. Chris Evans doing the pitching. We've hit both the balanced and the extra end-loaded bats already. This is the last of the three bats they're going to present to you. We're totally impressed with all three. This would be a niche bat for those guys that know how to swing extra end-loaded bats. Shorter barrel. You just want to get them and drive them with the end load like that. Exact pitch, short and inside, and he just threw the bat head under. Close to 400 foot there because the tree stopped it, but that was a huge bomb. Another short pitch. He missed that. Short and inside, yeah, he missed that one. Nice line drive. Working hard for you folks. Deep. Kind of leaned back and leaned back into it and just missed it. Just missed that. Nice line drive. There's the pitch. That's a line drive rope into the fence on something out in front that he hit. Just missed it. Just get smooth on those, big guy. Let that bat head do it. Nice line drive. Hey, he slipped and got into that though. It's out of here. 350. Perfect pitch for that bat. Sounded like a little shotgun blast. 350. And that's just a mashed line drive. Bats, we hit around with it earlier to break it in. It's probably got about 70 hits on it right now. We noticed with the first two bats, they kept breaking in and getting hotter and hotter. And that's a knuckleball. Hits the top of the fence and goes over. We love it when that happens. Larry, you love it when the knuckleballs go over. Love it. Just missed. Just miss.
Yeah, it was just a little too outside.
A little slippage. That's too short. Base hit. That's out of here as high as the lights, right center field. Hits the pole. Good shot. So he's gone all fields but dead right with this bat, which is interesting. Line drive knuckleball there. That's gone straight away. 350, 360.
Not bad.
This sort of went after too quick.
A little bit more luck.
Just missed. That bat needed to be another 2 inches longer. He corked it. All right, folks, we've been doing a count of 5, but we're going to do a count of 10 here on this one. Let's go to the next 10, guys. I'm keeping score here. You got 10 in you?
I got 10.
He's got 10 in him, folks. Here we go. This is the second video, so he's put in about 120 swings already.
Nope.
He fisted that ball, and that will not carry off the fist. Steve right in bowling. Just missed again. Balls are starting to soften up in his heat a little bit. I can hear him. But when he smacks it, it ain't going to matter. There it is. Okay, that's 3. That's 1 on the board, baby, and that's a big shot. Hits the top of that tree back there. That's 2 in that same tree. Look out, Mr. Carr. The car ran it over. I saw it. So that's 2 out of the last 2 in a row. Just missed. I think we're at about 5. Nice line drive. Just missed it. Crushed. That is in that back top tree. About 390. Short hops the street. That was a big shot. And he fisted it, and this is going to be right to the fence.
I don't even know if that was down the barrel. That was handle. That was literally handle.
Okay, next big bomb, guys. And there it is. Game, set, match. 360 on a line drive. What do you think, Larry? Short barrel?
It's the short barrel. It has the added end weight. Second video, so I'm a little winded. So what we did is I just let the bat head go. Let the end weight do the work for you. No vibration at all. And I mean, the middle of this bat is sick hot. So we've put about 50, 60 hacks on it. It's starting to open up, but there's no stress on it. I mean, it looks like a brand new bat still. Gentlemen, if you like the short barrel with that end weight, you're going to want to get this bat. I mean, it's got pop, serious pop. Good job, Dudley.
That'd be for the professional slow pitch softball players that know how to swing an end loaded bat.
Exactly.
Good job.
Good job.